let's say if I want to hide empty columns, so how you can do it? So to do this, first okay, you want to hide empty columns, right? So first we'll take a function and call this hide empty columns, and take a variable sheet okay. Now we have to take a last column, sheet dot get last column, right? This find last column by this, and we need a for loop. It checks column one by one which is empty. So for this I'll take a for it starts from first column and last column. Then take column data, will be sheet dot get range first column, and then dot get last row dot get values. Okay, so we have used this get values mm, it will get the last row from this current column, and after this get values we have to use dot flat. It converts into simple 1D array. It's actually 2D array get value. So this thing we have to do, and after this we have to define column is if it's empty. So call this is empty columns, column data, we use dot every to check every cell, and cell and it would be is equal to this empty. Use and in, now you have to use if condition. If is empty, then sheet dot hide columns. So let me run this. See, it's hiding each column which is empty except last column, because we have we did this thing. And but what if we want to hide column which has a value? To do this, what we can do, we have to make changes from data. We have to type here type of then it should be string, and the L is equal to 3 times a. So if I run this, it should work. Okay, so here you have to type some, not every. See, it worked. So let me do it again. See, so this is how you can hide something which has hide columns which has some values. But like this, if I type this hide, if I want to hide this column, so I paste it here, hide, and let me run this. See, so we hide. Now we will going to unhide columns. Okay, so for this, first okay, to unhide this, we have to take a function which we call it unhide columns, and okay, we have to define the sheet, so we'll take from here this both like a sheet and last column, and just after this sheet dot show columns last column. See, we have successfully unhide all the columns. So this is how you can hide and hide columns in Google Sheet using app scripts.